Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings to you all and welcome to Authentic Cryptos. In this particular video, we'll be talking about Finch Coin airdrop, how to withdraw your Finch from the Finch dashboard to your basic TH wallet address in your Phantom wallet, right? So, as we all know, Finch airdrop has come to an end, and the next thing in our line now is for us to withdraw our Finch tokens, alright? So I've been getting the video request that I should make a separate video on how to withdraw our Finch coin, right? So this particular video is strictly on how to withdraw your Finch from the Finch dashboard to your Phantom wallet. So if this is something that will interest you, kindly stick around this video as I'll be showing you guys everything you're supposed to know and how to go about it and get yourself on the right track for this project, alright? So let's just read through. You guys should just forget about my point dashboard right here. As you all know, I've already withdrawn in the previous video that I did about Finch airdrop. Alright, so if you've watched that video, you already know that I've withdrawn my Finch. Alright, so the Finch airdrop has officially ended as of 11th January 2025. Don't lose your airdrop allocation. Make sure to withdraw your Finch before 20th of January 2025. After this date, unclaimed airdrop allocations will be forfeited and only Finch purchased during the pre-sale will remain withdrawable. Still want more Finch? You can continue purchasing Finch through the pre-sale session. So the deadline for us to withdraw our Finch is on the 20th of January 2025. But to be whole honest, you don't have to wait from now to 20th, right? So don't just try to be among the last people that will do this. Just get on it immediately now and withdraw your Finch, right? So let's proceed. Before you withdraw your Finch, there are some few things you need to put in place. Firstly, let's just click on withdraw to wallet right here. Let's see what will pop up. You can see 0 keys. Each withdrawal costs 1 key, right? You guys can see this. Now they say we should either buy or redeem. Let's scroll up and read a bit. Withdrawal form. You can withdraw and hold your Finch coins in your base Ethereum wallet, but transfers and trading will only open for everyone on February 2nd, 2025. Only withdraw to your personal non-custodian based Ethereum wallet like Phantom. Don't withdraw to an exchange deposit address like Binance, Bybit, or you will lose your Finch. Alright, so these are more updates about it. So transfers are locked until February 2nd, 2025. So on February 2nd, 2025, that was the day we can be able to push this coin from our Phantom to the Uniswap exchange, then swap it to any token of your choice, sell it to USDT and enjoy yourself. So now, for you to be able to withdraw your Finch, you need to have a minimum of 1 key. Let's just say you need to have 1 key. And you guys can see that I have 0 key right here. So when you click on buy or redeem, let's see what will come up. You can see giveaway. This is for those that won a key during giveaway. So there was a time that they were doing giveaway for key, right? Let me just explain, because a lot of people are asking if they can still get this key free. So there was a time that we were doing giveaway. All you have to do is just to win the giveaway, come and paste the code right here, then you get key. But the giveaways has already ended. So for you to be able to withdraw your Finch, you have to purchase key, right? So you have to utilize this button that says buy now, right? So you click on buy now. Then we'll see what pops up. Then we'll know how to go about it and how to get a key. Don't worry guys, I'll be showing you everything right here, okay? They say pay through Turn Connect. This particular one sometimes is somehow tricky and time taking as well. They say you should just have to connect your wallet and proceed with the transaction. But the one I like most is this particular one that says direct transfer, right? So all you have to do is just to copy this wallet address right here. Copy this memo also right here, then head straight to your Tonkeeper and send this amount of Ton, right? So before you proceed with this exercise, make sure you have some amount of Ton in your Tonkeeper or your Ton wallet. I think Tonkeeper preferably. So you just have to send 0.2 Ton, equivalent to $1, to this particular address, and automatically a key will be added for you. All right, so let me just quickly do that without wasting much of our time. So firstly, I copy the memo, then I copy the address. So the next thing is to head straight to my Tonkeeper and do the needful. They say you should send Ton coin, no USDT or any other token, or you will lose your coin. Transaction comments on memo are required. You will lose your coin. Include the memo in your transaction, or the payment will not be processed. Your payment will be automatically confirmed within a few minutes after sending, right? So like I said, once you just make this transaction, you will get your key ASAP. So let me quickly do this. Let me head straight to my Tonkeeper. I think I have some tons right here. Okay, yeah, I have some tons right here. So all I have to do is just to hit on send button. Then firstly, I will paste the address. They say we should send 0.2 ton, which is equivalent to $1. Let's just see if it's equivalent to $1. Sorry guys, 0.2 ton. Okay, 0.2 ton is $1.04 because of gas fee. That's just $1, right? So that's just $1. So remember to include the memo. Okay, so you guys can see I'm done with the address, 0.2 ton, and the memo right here. So I just have to hit on continue, confirm transfer, then I'll just trigger the transaction. It's as simple as that. Then you can see done. Beautiful. We are done with the transactions, right? So this is sent. It's still processing. You just have to give it some time. They are still validating our transaction 0.2 ton on 0802. All right. So like I said, immediately after watching this video, do well to take action immediately and withdraw your Finch coin to your wallet. So as all this thing is going on, let's head straight to our Phantom and get our withdrawal address. All right. So before that time, everything has been updated. So let's head straight to our Phantom. Like I said, if you don't have a Phantom wallet, do well to set one up. So I've already withdrawn earlier, so I just have to maintain the same address. So a lot of you guys are asking me if they can withdraw multiple accounts to one address. Well, I think it's still feasible, but to be whole honest and to be on the safer side, I would just advise you to create multiple wallets in your Phantom so that you can be able to use them on all your accounts. You guys can see at this particular point right here, this is my Phantom and I'm in my account 4. Okay, so when you click on this upper button, this is how to create multiple wallets. It's not that much. You guys can see I have up to 12 wallets right here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, even digital. So it's very simple. You should, in case if you only have one, right, all you have to do is just to come to this place that I wrote add connect wallet. So you just have to click on this place that they say create new wallet and you get your wallet set up. Let's just do that. You go just hit on create. You guys can see if I create this one now, then it will be added as account 13 for me. So let me just do that for the sake of this video, guys. So this is just how to create multiple accounts. You guys can see account 13 already added. Okay, so do well to use different accounts for this particular exercise to avoid series that touch at the end of the day, right? So that's all right. Let's proceed back. Like I said, I've already made withdrawal initially, so you guys can see my Finch right here. So all I just have to do is to copy my address and repeat the same process, right? So you have to come to receive right here. Then this is the address that we need for the withdrawal. Don't make the mistake. You guys can see base right here. So this is just the base in your home dashboard. It's Ethereum base, but this is the main Ethereum. This is the base. This particular one that I have a button right here is the base. But to be on the safer side and to avoid mistake, once you open your Phantom, just head straight to receive right here. Click on receive. Then you can see the base clearly and boldly. All right. So you just have to tap on copy right here. Tap on copy right here. Then you proceed back with the exercise. So let's head back to our Telegram. Let's click on return to home and see if they have added our key. Beautiful, guys. Our key has already been activated. You can now see eligible to withdraw. Initially they are saying withdraw to wallet. Now eligible to withdraw, to show you guys that our key is here. And boom, guys, our key is here already and we are now eligible to withdraw. So you just have to do is just to make sure the amount of Finch that you have is here already and your wallet address is here. I think this is the address that I withdrew from initially. All right, but I'm not going to take a chance, so I just have to wipe it and put the new one that I copied. Then you hit on withdraw Finch, as simple as that, right? So you wait for them to trigger the withdrawal, right? Wait for them to trigger the withdrawal. Click on withdraw Finch. What are they saying, guys? Okay. Withdraw Finch. Okay. Oh, all right. You guys can see I can't even withdraw this particular one anymore. They say minimum amount to withdraw is 5,000. Oh, it's obvious. So minimum amount to withdraw is 5,000. So I just burned this key for no reason. But it's fine, it's well, it's already what it is. So if you don't have up to 5,000 Finch, then you don't really have anything right here. But everybody has that through performing task and everything. It's just that I've already withdrawn my own. So this is just a simple process on how to go about this. Once you bought the key and put all your data complete right here, right? Once you bought the key and put your data complete right here, all you just have to do is just to hit on withdraw Finch right here. And you guys will see withdrawal pending down here. Okay, so once they just validate it, you will just receive your finch in your phantom wallet. Very simple, as we wait for the listing and more updates. So I urge you guys to make sure you withdraw your finch right here, because I see a lot of people that have placed withdrawal for the past a day to 2 days and it's still pending. So this time around they are giving out 72 hours before they will verify your transaction, citing the situation that they are handling thousands and let's say thousands of transactions right now. So it will take nothing less than 72 hours before they will verify your transaction. So do well to withdraw right now so that you can be able to speculate the time frame from now till 20th of this month, so that you can be able to withdraw peacefully and receive it to your wallet peacefully before 20th, right? So that is just how to go about that. Thanks guys for watching. If you really found value right here, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up, comment on this post, and also share this video, right? So if this is the first time coming across our channel, thanks for coming. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any important update from our channel. And to our old subscribers, thank you guys as we keep riding to success. So till I come your way next time, keep winning, stay safe and stay blessed.